Welcome to my channel, My Makeup Tales. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about and demonstrating the two palettes, Modern Renaissance and Subculture. So if you like what you see, then keep on watching. I'm starting off by using the Milani eyeshadow primer in the shade 01 Nude. I'm applying the shade Dawn from the Subculture palette all across the lid. Now I'm using the shade Edge from the same Subculture palette and diffusing it in my crease. I'm using the shade Burnt Orange from the Modern Renaissance palette and depositing this right below the crease. I'm using the shade Real Gar on the outer V. I'm using the shades Red Ochre and Venetian Red and buffing out my crease. Using a pencil brush, I'm going to deposit the shade Rowdy in the outer V and smudge out my upper lash line. Using a clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend the shade Rowdy with the rest of the eye makeup. Now I'm using this shade All Star from the Subculture palette on the center of my lid. I'm going to use the shade Adorn and deposit that in the inner 1/3 of my eye. Now I'm going to color correct and conceal my under eye circles. Shade Rowdy on a pencil brush and applying this on the outer 1/3 of my lower lash line. Now I'm using the shade All Star across the entire lower lash line. Using the shade Vermeer, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to use Baby Love by Too Faced as my blush. I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the hollows of my cheeks. To highlight my face, I'm using Becca's Champagne Pop. I'm finishing off the look with Color Bar's Liquid Lipstick in Hot Latte. With this, I complete the look. If you guys like what you see, then be sure to click that like button, subscribe and share. Thank you.